Tommy. How's it going, man?
Good, James. How's it going?
Well, just checking out your new office, man. You settling in, huh?
Yes, sir.
Well, just had a few questions.
What's up?
I had some questions about skEYEvue.
Okay.
Tell me your favorite features about skEYEvue.
I'd have to say one of my favorite features of skEYEvue is the live view capability. You can log right into these cameras any time of day or night and see exactly what's going on your job site, just like I have here in front of me.
Oh, let me see this. That's a real live job site?
That's right now.
Wow. They're pouring, aren't they?
Yes, sir.
Thanks for showing me this cool stuff.
No problem.
Anything else you want to talk about? Look like you got a busy day today.
Yeah, kind of in the middle of doing some emails, James.
Okay, sorry for bothering you, man.
Oh, are you really sorry, though?
No, I'm never sorry. All right. Well, you have a great day, man. Thanks
You too,
again.
James. Thank you.